Hey everybody, JR from JR's Cars, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of routine maintenance on the Traverse today, but what I'm going to show you is how to replace the cabin air filter on this 2014 Traverse, because I've had it for about 13,000 miles now, and I don't know if it's ever been replaced, so we'll find out together. We'll take a look and I'll show you where it is. So first thing you want to do is go into the passenger side and put that seat all the way back to get you a little bit of room, because you're going to have to get in the glove box and pull that glove box down. And now that the seat's out of the way, go ahead and open up the glove box. Then what you're going to want to do is this right here is the stopper for your glove box. You want to take that out, so it's just, you're going to twist that to the left and pull it straight out. And then there's one over here on this side too. You might have to lift up a little bit, and we'll just get that out of the way. So right there is where your cabin air filter is going to be. And here are what those little twist plugs look like. Now what you're going to have to do is these here, you're going to have to push them. If you see right there, when you push on it, it opens up the clip in the back. There's this one, there's this one, and then there's this one, and there's this one too. So go ahead and pull all four of those clips, pull them in, and then you'll pull this door off here. All right, so I have the door loose here. And when you pull it out, the filter's going to come out with it, so it feels like it's going to be a little stiff, but pull it out and let's see what it looks like, because I'm a little afraid, because if you haven't seen the video before, if you look up in the top here, I have a link to the video that I did on the Mercedes that I pulled the cabin air filter out of. And it was brutally disgusting. It was terrible. So let's see what we have here. All right, well, it's not bad. Well, not terrible at least. You can see that there's definitely some debris and junk in between the pleats here. So it's definitely time for that to be done. I don't think there's anything that I can see that's in there. So just like in the Mercedes video, I'm going to turn on the ventilation system just to let the air circulate in there and blow out anything that might be in. And let's take a look. Nope. Nothing came out. So that was good. So on these first gen Traverses, this is going to be the number if you're using the STP filter. It's a CAF18997C. And here you can definitely see the difference between the new filter and the old filter with all the junk in it. So this is definitely going to flow a lot nicer when we get this in here. And it's very simple to do. All you do is just from the bottom side, you'll push up on it and then pull it out, and you'll see your bracket. It's backside doesn't look that bad. And then you'll put it back in, but what you want to note is the airflow. You want to make sure that that's pointed up when you put it back in the tray here. So you can see there's a little lip right here. It's going to go underneath that and then slide right in. All right, so now it is ready to go back in the car. All right, so it's ready to go back in. All you got to do is just put it back in the hole, slide it right in, and get those to clip in place. Make sure it's all secured so it's not coming back out. And the cabin air filter is all done. Okay, so now you got to put the glove box back into place, but what you need to do is you need to watch, because there's this arm here that does flex a little bit. All right, it's movable, and then you have to get that to line up right in here in this, because the gear is what dampens it. So on the bottom side of this, you can see that there's teeth. You have to get that to mesh in there. It's a little hard to do with one hand with the camera here, but let's see if maybe we can do this and show you how it goes. Right, so it's gonna have to go in like that, so that way you're meshed in with those teeth. And then you push it in, and then you put those clips in when it's back into place. So one there, and then you're going to turn them to the right, to tighten them up and get them in place. All right, so the stoppers are back in place. Twisted them to the right to lock them in. And then I have that all meshed into the gear there, so that's all good. And now, that completes this job. So there you have it, cabin air filter's done. And now you're gonna breathe some fresh air when you're running around with your air conditioning on, because it's been hot the last couple days. Do me a favor, if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your comments down below and let me know what you think. Hope everybody's been staying safe out there, and I'll catch you all soon in the next video.